Hi everybody, look at this animal shaped wristband. Let's make it. For that we are going to fold this square craft paper, make multiple folds. We are going to make the strip of the band like this. Now open it again. We are going to make a square shape at the center like this. So we are making crease here, make multiple folds like we are doing here, and look, it is ready. We are going to gently open it, paste a sticker, and look, it is ready. We are going to make this colorful ninja claws. We are going to fold this green craft paper, make multiple folds, and again we are going to fold it into half, and look, we are again folding it like this, tuck it inside, and look, it is ready. You can make more such shapes. Let's make this colorful flower. We are going to fold this square green craft paper, and look, we are folding it like this, and make the petals of the flower. Again open it and fold it. Now we are going to paste one corner like this, make more such colorful shapes and paste all of them one after another like this. We are folding this green paper and make the stick and paste it around the flower, and look, it is ready. Look at this flying toy. Let's make it. For that we are going to fold this square craft paper like this, again fold it from its sides into half. We are making crease at the center like this. Now flip it and again fold it like we are doing here, and look, it is ready. Now we are going to fold it inwards like we are doing here, and look, it is almost ready. Make multiple folds like this. Do the same from other side as well, and look, it is ready. You can make more colorful toys like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.